Hi, my name's Oliver, and I want to be a construction worker to build to help the people ride on the rails. We're taking the A to the nationality, but don't forget to take the C. I'm saying about a song train. About the train. This is the A train. Closing the doors, please. Next up is the F train. Close those, please. This is the F train. Closing. The next stop is the 3 train, the 2 train, the 1 train. Close those pieces. This is the 1, 2, 3 train. Close those. The next stop is the C train. I don't need these people. Okay, this is the 6, 5, 4. Close on space. The next stop is B, C. Close our space. The next stop is M, J, C. Close our space. This is M, C, J, B, and C again. And the next stop is Q. Okay, this will be. The next stop is Q. This is the Q train. The next stop is E train. This is an E train. The next stop is no, the next stop is nothing. This is the last stop on this train, everybody. Thank you for riding MTA City Toys Subway Station. Bye bye. And subscribe. If you want to join me, then do the video. Bye bye.